This is Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's Find of the Week. Now I'm outside again as usual, and I had told you I had brought back lots of frogs and lots of dogs. So we have another little frog, but this isn't just any frog, it's a mama frog. She's got her baby. Isn't she cute? Let's see. Again, one-handed. Pull this out of here, and there you can see, so she's like a magnesium coated frog, so she's good for out in the garden, and she's a fair-sized frog. She's about 20 inches tall by about 9 inches wide on the base, and you can see there that she's holding her little baby, so she can be outside in between your container garden and your pots, or in the middle of your flower bed, or by a front door. You can see her a little bit closer. And she's like a gray with kind of a whitewash, so there's white in the crevices and in the different areas and the cracks of it, so it makes it look kind of vintage and old. And there you can see the little baby's hand around her mama, around the back. Isn't she cute? So we will have these on our website at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques, and we have an awesome unique garden collection, so go check us out. And there's one of my babies.